Hey cool cats and kittens, today I came on a bike ride. There's my bike right there, it's black, and I wanted to show you all the fun places that I found to hide. So I found this cool little stick hiding spot in here, and I'm gonna try to come inside. Hey guys, I'm on my bike and whoa, look at that turkey! Here we go! Okay, we're biking and there's a turkey in the road. Turkey crossing, there he goes. He's hiding. He's hiding in the tall grass. There's so many turkeys here. There he goes. Up the hill. And trees down there. Today, I brought these with me when we came down to Sycamore Grove, and he's gonna go down this hill for the very first time. And look how beautiful it is where we live here in Livermore. I found this really cool tree that looks like it's low enough for me to climb. I just have to be careful when I step on the bark to make sure I don't step on loose bark. And I made it up top. There's a deer grazing in the grass. And he pops his head up when he hears the turkey that we hear from far away. There he goes. And there's the turkey sound. And probably a woodpecker far away here on the left. Here in Sycamore Grove, there is a hollowed out sycamore tree, and it has a big hole. And in the back of the tree, as we're walking backwards, there is a hole big enough to where you can stand and look through the hole. Isn't that pretty interesting?
This is our red-tailed hawk. We have a lot of these out in Sycamore Grove Park. They are raptors that like this area, woodland and grassland areas, which is what we are. This guy is one of our popular big hunters. He's really easy to identify by the sky because you can look at his tail from below, and his tail will be all nice, bright and red. And if you can get a good picture of his chest here, his breast is going to be a little white, as opposed to his cousin, the red-shouldered hawk, whose breast is going to be all red and its tail is going to be striped black and white at the bottom. Very similar to this guy, who's all nice, bright and red. So that's a good way to be able to find your hawks from the ground up. Enjoy your day.